Hello everyone, your Reshmi here from your Rice Passion Soap. You all are doing very good today. Thank you so much for your support as always. And today I have selected some smart trendy collections only for you. So let me display. All are very bright and fresh color combinations, very nice looks. This one tissue organza base have sign, also nice color combinations, bright look, silver sign all over base, silver zari border, and very lightweight, comfortable, smart looks. This one is full base part, tissue organza base, silver zari border, very nice and fresh looks. This one is full base, and this one is pallu portions, highlighted contrast silver zari stripes pattern, fine self weaving stripes pattern pallu, and this one is full base part, soft one, shiny material, smart fresh looks, very lightweight. This one full base part, silver zari border all over, silver sign, and very comfortable one. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part, very bright and fresh looks. And this is silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your smart looks. And this one a handloom soft silk material based for your daily wear, very smart trendy looks, all over contrast color stripes design. This one is full base part, handloom soft silk material all over, fine stripes design, and this one is pallu portions, highlighted stripes pattern pallu, and all over base part is fine stripes design, very nice looks, trendy one. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part, very lightweight, comfortable, based for your daily wear. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your trendy and smart looks. And this one very beautiful one, muga silk with highlighted golden zari border all over, base part is plain and golden zari highlighted border, and comfortable smart face looks, muga handloom. And this one full base part, very trendy and fashionable, elegant looks. This one is border portions, golden zari border all over, base part is plain, and this one is pallu portions, highlighted zari stripes pallu in, very smart and fresh looks, nice color combination, soft one, lightweight. And this one is full base part, very elegant and fresh looks. This one is all over base, this one is running blouse piece, and all over plain. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive looks. For customize your blouse, please contact through WhatsApp. And this one also same material, baby pink base, very nice color combinations, trendy looks, muga silk highlighted golden zari temple pattern weaving design work border, very smart and trendy looks. This one full base part, baby pink base and muga silk. This one is border portions, highlighted golden zari with temple pattern, fine weaving design work border all over, base part is plain, very smart and fashionable, elegant looks. And this one pallu portions, highlighted golden zari stripes with gicha silk highlighted pallu. And this one full base part, very nice and fresh looks. This one is full base, plain baby pink base border, weaving border, and this one is running blouse piece, very elegant looks. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade buta work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your smart and trendy looks. And this one nice color combinations, handloom silk cotton material, soft one, all over zari weaving buta design, very smart and fresh bright looks. This one is full base part, zari buta design, fully weaving zari work buta design all over base, handloom silk cotton material, soft one. And this one is pallu portions, fully highlighted stripes design, feather like weaving design work stripes pallu. And this one full base part is buta work, very nice and fresh looks, elegant obviously. This one is running blouse piece, and this one full base part, very smart looks. And I will suggest this silk material, pure silk material with heavy weaving work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive looks. Very beautiful color combination, savory printed one, semi katan base all over, self weaving base with golden zari border and all over savory printed one, very trendy and fashionable smart looks, all over self weaving work with savory printed one, very trendy and smart looks. This one is pallu in all over printed one, savory printed, and this one is all over base, very nice and fresh looks, golden zari border, savory printed one, and this one is running blouse piece, and this one full base part. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade buta work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive smart looks. And this one a nice color combinations, brown shade, handloom Dupian silk cotton material, highlighted contrast color, zari stripes, very beautiful border, highlighted golden and silver zari stripes pattern, highlighted border, and all over base part, premium quality Dupian silk cotton material. And this one is pallu portions, contrast color dye with highlighted zari stripes pallu, and this one full base part, lightweight comfortable base for your daily wear. And this one is running blouse piece, this one is running blouse piece, and I will suggest this silk material with checks with buta work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your smart and trendy fashionable looks. And this one bright color combinations based for your party wear, premium quality pure handloom silk linen base and contrast color dye border with heavy Banarasi weaving design work. This one is full base part, nice color combinations. And this one is border portions, contrast color dye with heavy fine Banarasi weaving design work and highlighted temple pattern design lines, very nice and fresh look, silk linen base, heavy worked border, contrast color. And this one running blouse piece border with zari stripes, running blouse piece. And this one pallu portions, pallu in beautiful Banarasi weaving design work, contrast color dye with Banarasi weaving design work pallu. And this one is border, very nice and fresh, elegant, bright looks. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your smart and bright gorgeous looks. This one also very beautiful one, premium quality Chanderi silk material, pure Chanderi silk, soft one, premium quality, highlighted half-inch golden zari border, peach shade with beautiful fine embroidery buta work, all over fine embroidery design, and very lightweight, comfortable, pure premium quality Chanderi silk, half-inch highlighted border and all over fine embroidery buta design, and very soft, comfortable, smart looks. This one is pallu in beautiful pom-pom design, and this one full base part, very lightweight. This one is full base all over fine embroidery buta design. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade buta work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your trendy and fashionable smart looks. And this one also beautiful color combinations, cotton slab material, silver zari border, all over silver zari weaving buta design, very trendy and fashionable smart looks based for your daily wear also. This one is full base part, premium quality pure handloom cotton slab material, nice color combination, silver zari border, all over fine silver zari weaving buta design, very trendy looks. And this one is pallu portions, highlighted silver zari stripes pattern pallu. And this one full base part, very lightweight, comfortable, smart, fresh looks, all over silver zari weaving buta design. This one is running blouse piece, and this one full base part and very soft one, summer friendly, smart looks. And I will suggest this silk material, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your bright and fresh looks. In a very bright color combinations, premium quality pure handloom silk linen base all over silver zari heavy weaving base, very nice looks, based for your party wear. This one in the middle portions fully silver zari weaving design work, heavy worked base, and this one is border portions contrast color dye with fine weaving design work border, and this one pallu portions contrast color dye with silver zari weaving heavy worked pallu, and all over base part is heavy self weaving work, very nice looks. This one full base part all over base silver zari weaving heavy worked, fully worked base, and this one is border portions contrast color dye with fine weaving butta design work border, and this one is all over heavy worked, very nice and fresh looks. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your smart and trendy looks, bright also. And this one also very nice color combinations, handloom soft silk material with contrast color dye border and full border portions golden and silver zari weaving butta design, very trendy and fashionable smart looks. This one is border fully upper border fully silver and golden zari weaving butta work and very nice looks. This one is pallu portions contrast color dye with silver zari stripes pattern pallu and very soft comfortable smart face looks, and this one border portions contrast color dye border with beautiful golden and silver zari weaving butta work, very smart and fashionable looks. This one is border portion and all over plain with highlighted border golden and silver zari weaving border, and this one is running blouse piece. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your smart and trendy looks. And this one also nice color combinations, silk linen base printed one all over base with highlighted contrast color dye border and full border portions beautiful fine weaving design work border. This one full base part all over printed one silk linen base, and this one border portions fully contrast color dye with heavy zari weaving design work border. This one is border portions and this one is all over base, very trendy and fashionable bright looks. This one is full base and this one is running blouse piece, and this one pallu portions highlighted zari stripes pallu, and this one is full base but very smart and fresh looks. And I will suggest this silk material heavy Banarasi weaving work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive looks. For customize your blouse, please contact through WhatsApp. This one fully designer piece, nice color combinations, handloom tissue linen material with beautiful design work, mirror embroidery weaving design. Premium quality pure handloom tissue linen base silver zari border and all over beautiful design work weaving butta design with highlighted mirror embroidery design work, very bright and fresh looks all over base silver sign. Premium quality pure handloom tissue linen base shiny material with beautiful design work weaving butta and embroidery highlighted mirror work, very nice looks. This one is pallu portions beautiful design work, very trendy and fashionable bright looks, and all over heavy design work, very nice looks. This one is full base part pure handloom tissue linen base weaving butta with highlighted mirror embroidery design. This one is running blouse piece and this one full base part. And I will suggest this silk material heavy embroidery mirror work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive trendy and smart looks. So, in a very beautiful color combinations, bright one tissue linen material contrast color dye border, full border portions fully zari weaving polka design, very nice and fresh looks. This one full base part premium quality pure handloom tissue linen shiny material golden zari border, and this one is pallu portions contrast color dye highlighted golden zari stripes pattern pallu, and this one full base part very smart and fresh looks. This portion is border portions contrast color dye linen by multi-layered border with zari weaving polka design. Very trendy and fashionable, bright looks, nice color combinations. This one is running blouse piece, and this one full base pattern type. Will suggest this silk material, heavy Banarasi weaving work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive bright festive looks, party looks. And this one also nice color combinations, bright one, brownish golden shade, and beautiful contrast color, multicolor stripes pattern border, premium quality, pure handloom, tissue linen material, shiny material, golden brownish golden shade. This one is border portions, upper border, contrast color upper border, and this one is pallu portions, highlighted golden zari stripes pattern pallu, and this one is full base part, very bright and gorgeous looks. This one is border portions, fully contrast color stripes pattern, highlighted border, very soft one, smart and bright looks. This one is all over base, beautiful color combinations. This one is running blouse piece, and this one full base part and type. Such as this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive outstanding bright looks. And this one also very beautiful color combination, semi organza base, cream shade, self weaving stripes work all over base with silver zari weaving buta design. This one full base part and zari border, and all over base part is fine self weaving stripes with beautiful zari buta design, soft one, smart looks, fresh beautiful one. This one is pallu in beautiful silver zari highlighted stripes pattern pallu end, and this one full base part, all over buta design, fully silver zari weaving buta work, and this one is running blouse piece, and this one full base part, very bright and smart fresh looks. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive smart looks. Very beautiful color combinations, very nice looks, premium quality, pure handloom, silk linen base, nice color combinations, golden zari 1 inch highlighted border, and full border portions, beautiful heavy embroidery design work. This one full base part, all over fine embroidery buta design, and this one is pallu portions, highlighted golden zari stripes pattern pallu with beautiful pom pom design, and this one is full base part, very fresh looks, premium quality, pure handloom, silk linen base, highlighted golden zari border, and full border portions, beautiful fine embroidery design work, very smart and fresh looks. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part, very trendy and elegant color combinations. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive outstanding looks. For customize your blouse, please contact through WhatsApp. And this one same material, bright color combinations, yellow shade with heavy embroidery design work, all over base, golden zari border, very smart and fresh looks. This one is full base part, all over fine embroidery design work, silk linen base, golden zari border, and this one is pallu portions, highlighted golden zari stripes pattern pallu end, and all over heavy embroidery design work, very fresh looks. This one is full base part, golden zari border, all over fine embroidery design work, 4 meter embroidery work. This one is running blouse piece, and this one full base part, very trendy and elegant looks. And I will suggest this silk material, embroidery sequin embroidery design work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive outstanding looks. For more collections, please visit our website. Our website link is www.raisefashions.com. All the info written in video description, so please follow the description part. And today I have developed beautiful saree, very nice color combination, sky blue shade, golden zari border, premium quality, pure handloom, silk linen base with fine embroidery design work, very nice and trendy looks, all over embroidery work, floral embroidery. And this one is pallu in golden zari smart stripes, very nice color combinations, beautiful saree and heavy work designer blouse. If you want the same combo, please contact through WhatsApp. Hope you will like our collection. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Keep browsing our website. Stay healthy. Have a good day. Take care. Thank you so much.